If you're like me and you like to make a lot of videos on your iPhone, but you tend to process them in something like Final Cut Pro, then you might end up noticing that the footage looks really, really weird, and that's because you have the HDR video on. So to turn that off, here's what we gotta do. We're gonna go into our settings. Once we're in our settings, we're gonna scroll down to the camera app. So we're gonna scroll down to camera right here. All right, and then we want to go to where it says record video. We're going to go into here, and then as we scroll down, you'll see that you have HDR video. And this is the setting that when you're trying to edit some footage from your iPhone on something like Final Cut Pro and it looks like way blown out and way too much exposure and everything, this is the setting right here. So we want to go ahead, toggle this off. And now when you record video on your iPhone, it's gonna look much better when you transfer that into your editing software. So hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.